What's hot in the Kitsilano single-family market for December 2018? The Vancouver Westside single-family market is favoring buyers, but Kitsilano is the exception to that rule. Kitsilano is one of the few neighborhoods in the Vancouver Westside single-family market that's actually favoring sellers right now. 9 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. The least expensive home sold for $1.6 million, which would have bought you a really old home, an 88-year-old home on a small lot, a 3,700 square foot lot. The most expensive home sold for $3.27 million, which would have bought you a new home on a 33-foot wide lot at 15th Avenue and MacDonald. 35 homes were available and on the market in Kitsilano, so to have 9 homes sell puts us at 26% of the homes selling in November. The real estate board defines a seller's market when anything more than 21% of homes sell in a given month. So Kitsilano is doing very well, it's 26%. Sold values in Kitsilano are a little bit lower than what we're seeing in the rest of the Vancouver West Side right now. The median price for your typical detached home in Kitsilano is $2.15 million, whereas the rest of the Vancouver West Side right now is hovering right around $2.8 million, which is pretty consistent over the last 6 months. Sold values in the Vancouver West Side have been hovering right around $2.8 million, so a bit lower, about $700,000 lower than what we're seeing in the rest of the Vancouver West Side. If you'd like to take a look at these 9 homes that sold last month, I've got them all laid out on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these 9 properties that sold, and feel free to download that package of information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And if you'd like to reach me, you can contact me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.